Hey everybody, in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play New Generation by the Zero Boys off of the Vicious Circle record. But before we get going, remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week. And here we go. Okay, so this one's mostly power chords, but it's played pretty quickly. So you're going to play a B power chord, then you're going to slide up to a D, and it goes like this. So slowly. Again, quickly. And so that's it for the intro and the first part of the verse. And then it goes into this part. So that's kind of, I guess you'd consider that part of the verse as well. So again, it goes. That pick slide. So slowly that second part is. So to play it all what we have so far. And then we're going to go into this, I guess we can call this a bridge part. And then there's a gap, and it goes back into the verse. So it's... And then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, go. So again, that part is... So play that all the way through again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, go, and back into that first part again. And then after that, you're going to go into the chorus part, which is probably the easiest part of the whole song. And it goes like this. So on the last note of the chorus, you're going to go right back into that verse intro part. So... And then it starts back over from there. So that's it for the rhythm parts of the song. It's pretty fast, but it's all power chords, so if you practice a lot, you can probably get it pretty much up to the speed that they're playing. And then at the end of the song, there's this cool kind of melodic lead. And it's going to be played in B, but it's going to be played kind of in non-traditional positions. You're going to be moving up and down the fretboard a little bit. The first position, you're going to play with your index finger at the 10th fret of the E string. And it goes like this. So one more time. And again, just single notes. There's a little bit of back and forth picking on it. And then he's going to move down to this position at the 3rd fret with his index finger on the 3rd fret. Or actually, I'm going to play it with my middle finger on the 3rd fret to kind of play the position a little bit easier. So middle finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and it goes like this. goes with this big bend. And then once, after that, there's going to be kind of this ascending pattern to kind of end the solo. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my middle finger on, move up to my middle finger on the 4th fret of the G string. And that gives me an easy way to play the 3rd fret and the 5th fret with my 1st finger and ring finger. So it goes like this. So what you're doing is you're playing. And then you're moving up again, another position when you slide. So one more time. And then at the end he's going to do this descending pattern and work his way back down again. So you're going to start this position kind of where you left off. And then you're going to go. So that's a little tricky, but it's a pretty cool melodic type lead. It has like a lot of like the kind of notey melodic parts, and then also has some cool kind of ascending and descending patterns where you're moving positions on the fretboard, which is kind of fun to play. So that's it for this lesson. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, remember to like it and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week, and I'll see you guys next time.